from his excerpt taken from a letter of Kim to his one of his nephews. And here I quote, attachment. Life, according to him, life is a very serious matter. It goes well only for those who have intelligence and heart. This word is to live is to be among men, and to be among men is to strive. But this strife is not a selfish struggle, nor for men alone. It is a strife with men, and at the same time, in one's own passion. In this battlefield, man has no better weapon but his intelligence. Some Filipinos in Madrid who indulge in vices, women, wine, cards, resented his presence because he always reserved, always moralized, and reminded them of their important mission. Rizal proved to the whole world that he practiced and lived with what he preached directly and indirectly. One of his brilliant assets is his sterling character and his sterling character and his strong personality. He was always a romantic intellectual, a gentlemanly hero who was admired not only by the Filipinos but also of the foreign people abroad. He's a man with engaging manners as well as an idealist. He held women with high esteem and expected much from her. Hear him dream of his idea when he says in his letter to the young women of Malolos, and here I quote, "Let the young man love her, not only for her beauty and her lovely disposition, but also her firmness of character, her lofty ideas that invigorate and encourage the weak and the timorous man arouse brilliant ideas."